Everything seems to be ready. I'm so excited. The guests will be all sitting here. All right. And we've got tea. Sam, how are you doing there?
I've prepared glasses.
Great. And the food?
I've also prepared utensils.
I was supposed to do it. Your task was food.
I've also brought toothpicks. Look!
Stop it, Sammy. Those were all my tasks. Tell me the truth. Have you prepared the food or not?
Of course I did, but then I somehow ate it. But I've got a piece of cake left. Here.
That's all we've got for all the guests? A piece of cake? Oh, Sammy, how could you? I've already invited everyone I know, and now we're having a foodless party.
Elsa, please calm down. We'll come up with something. Shame on you.
I'm really sorry. Sue, will you help me out, please?
Actually, I have one idea.
Really? Oh, thank you, Sue. You saved the day.
Let's make some food. But what should we start with?
We should make a cake first. No cake, no party.
Oh, Elsa is right. And the first layer is ready.
Wow, Sammy, great job. I'm sure Elsa will love it.
Hey, I also made a layer. Take it, Sue.
Wow, guys, you work so fast. I gotta catch up with you. This will be layer number 3.
Sammy, have you seen my guest list?
Let's make a new one. And we'll make a special dish for each guest.
This is not enough. Now that's better.
Okay, the guest list is ready. Wow, awesome job, Sue.
Thanks. And can I have a look at the list, Sammy?
Sure thing.
Huh? Do you really think it's a good idea to invite Hans as well?
Sue's got the point. And what about your guests, Sammy? I think we should add a couple.
Of course. Sammy, who do you want to invite?
Actually, there's someone I'd like to see.
Who could that be?
I'm not telling ya.
Sammy and his mysteries. Anyway, we need our cake layers perfectly round.
Good thinking, Susie. By the way, my secret guest loves colorful cakes.
Great. We can even make special frosting. Extra yummy.
Oh, what an interesting tool. And yes, my guest loves frosting too, especially interestingly shaped.
Your secret guest has sophisticated taste.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to twist it.
How could I?
Yes, Susie, that's exactly what we need. My secret guest will love it.
Now, we can assemble our cake. It is not hard at all.
Whoa, what a giant cake we've got!
You don't say.
Amazing. But let's add sprinkles too.
That's exactly what I was going to do.
Oh yes, the huge, colorful cake. My favorite! But you know what? It doesn't look realistic enough, Sue.
And what if I do this?
Ah, yes, well done! Oh, I can't wait to see the final result.
I love this cake for the secret guest. Now, what shall we make for Anna?
Does she like candy?
Oh yeah, especially lollipops.
Then it's settled. Lollipops for Anna will look perfectly beautiful.
Did someone say lollipops? Can I get some too?
Oh, well.
But what if I help you? I know what you're gonna need next.
Huh? Sounds interesting. I'm intrigued.
Perfect choice of colors, Sue. As always.
Thank you, Elsa. Now we need to roll this thing. Next, I'm gonna need...
This! Check it out, Susie. Any lollipop needs a stick, right?
Yes, Sammy. Good thinking.
Aw, they're so pretty. But only one. Won't be enough for Anna.
I know. That's why I made 3.
Oh, then can I get one too? Oh, Sue, come on!
Patience, Sammy. Better try and guess what this is going to be.
Brownies?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Wrong! It's gonna be a chocolate bar. We just need to work it up a bit.
Oh, extra chocolate, huh? Be right back.
Now, I'll shape our chocolate into a real bar.
You know, Sue, I like raspberry chocolate.
And I love any chocolate. Oh, my precious. Yummy!
Ah, Sam, what have you done? I didn't even wrap it.
Whoopsie. Sorry, it was stronger than me.
Next time, try to fight the temptation, okay?
I can't promise that. Just look at them.
They're gonna look even more tempting right about now.
Sue, what are you doing to me? I can't stand it.
Stay strong, buddy. Let's deal with the next dish.
Oh no, are these my favorite macarons? I'd better close my eyes. Ah! My secret guest loves them too.
Huh, good news. Okay, it looks cute, but one isn't enough.
That's why Sam's here to save the day.
Thank you. Now try to guess what this is going to be.
Make way!
No, Sammy, those are just for our party. No!
Oh, come on.
Oh, poor Elsa. Good luck with that.
Just wait and see. They will be mine. We have so many sweets, more than enough for the party.
But we also have many guests coming, including your secret one.
Okay, Sammy, here's a snack for you. Just don't touch those sweets, okay?
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Sue. You've made my day.
I hope that will keep Sammy going till the party starts.
I hope so too, Sue.
Sue, could you make some ice cream personally for me? I like it so much.
Great minds think alike. I've just started making it. This is how we make the cone for our future ice cream.
Wow, it looks like a real ice cream cone. We can put whatever we want in it. Strawberry ice cream, blueberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
You're right, Sammy. But first, let's make our ice cream cone look real.
I think you need this, Sue.
Thank you, Elsa. Here we go.
Here's your next tool, Susie.
Oh, you're right, Sammy. It's for the filling.
What a useful tool. Gotta get myself the same. I can't wait to see the result.
Just a few more moments, Sammy. Uh-huh. Oh, so cute. And it fits our waffle cone perfectly.
And it looks yummy.
Stay away, Sammy.
How can I if it looks so tempting? I'm a noble knight. I've come to protect the sweets. Hey, come on!
Sorry, Sammy, but I need this to finish our next dish.
It's nice and all, Sue, but how am I supposed to protect our sweets now?
I'm sure you'll find a way.
Honestly, you give me too much credit sometimes.
Maybe, in case of invasion, we'll give the invader these donuts.
No, we won't. These donuts are too good to be given away.
That's right, the donuts are staying in the family.
Duh. Okay.
You should add some sprinkles, Susie.
On it, Sammy.
Wow, did you see that? Must be magic or something.
Voila! Cute, aren't they?
It's getting yummier and yummier. Friends, stay tuned to see what else we've got. Did we make a dish for each guest? Ah, we forgot about me. We need a dish for Sam.
I knew that! And I've prepared all the ingredients. Let's start with this color.
Ah, Sue, you know me so well. It makes me so happy. Look, a masterpiece is being born right now.
Sue, where do you get all these amazing ideas?
My friends inspire me. Especially our Sammy. You'll share your dish, right?
Sure, Sue. You know I'm very generous. Although I don't like to share my cake.
You know, let's better divide this cake into pieces.
I need at least a half, but I can share the rest.
Good for you, Sammy.
Wow! Sue, this is the best cake ever! You really outdid yourself! Our guests will remember this party forever! Yay!
I don't have any doubts about that, Sammy.
Sue, could you decorate this cake the same way you did the donuts? Pretty please!
Sure. I just need to finish the glaze first.
Sam, don't distract her. We don't have much time. By the way, the glaze is awesome, Sue. I can't wait to taste the cake.
Just a friendly reminder, Sue!
Okay, Sammy, but we shouldn't hurry not to ruin everything.
Yummy! This cake will look perfect on our table! Put it here, Sue! Put everything here! I can't believe we're almost ready for the party!
Yet we managed to finish everything on time. Now, let's take a closer look at our sweets.
Wow, I couldn't even dream of such a great variety of tasty dishes.
Our guests are gonna be amazed!
Speaking of the guests, where are they? Aww. You're already here. Hi, everyone. Hi, Elsa. All these sweets look so beautiful.
Very appetizing. Yum!
Wow, a dragon. So that's who your special guest is, right, Sam?
Yep, meet my good friend Jeff, aka Secret Guest.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for inviting me.
Nice to meet you, Jeff. Olaf, how do you like the treats?
They're too good to be true.
We didn't take Kristoff, though. He eats too much.
Wise decision. But why aren't you eating? Hurry up, I'm not sure I can control myself.
Say no more.
Well, I think the party is a huge success. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, guys, to see lots of new